All of you can see the map on your screen. Good afternoon. Yes, fine. So I hope all of you are also having the map with you, right? So we will start doing it, whether it's a wall map or it's an Asian map. Okay? So now, first of all, you just look into your map on the screen and then try to find out the place in your map. Just see where the north mark is given. The north mark, where it is given, the north mark, it is the blue portion, it is the Mediterranean Sea, right? And in the southern portion where the Gulf is written, can you see the map? The Gulf is written. That part is the Persian Gulf region. That part is the Persian Gulf region. Okay? Understood? So that is the southern part of Mesopotamia. Understood? Yes. Now, just see the places from Mediterranean to the Persian Gulf. The area is the Mesopotamian civilization. In the in the northwest you have Mediterranean Sea, and the southeast you have the Persian Gulf. So the middle point is the Mesopotamian civilization. Understood? All of you mark the Mesopotamian civilization in a circle. Okay? Now, done? All of you have marked the Mesopotamian region in your map? All of you? Yes, Sanjivani has done. So, others? Who else is there? Jennifer, Shritama, Shomshubru and Shomita, done? Yes, very good. Okay, now next, see. In your map, the two rivers are not drawn, but the map which you can see on the screen, there are two rivers that are painted, right? That are painted. So you draw the western river, that is Euphrates, and paint it up to the Persian Gulf. Start it in the middle of the Mesopotamian zone, no matter where, but end it in the Persian Gulf. Understood? First, the river Euphrates. Name it as Euphrates River. Done? Yes, very good. So next is, just see on the map, look at your screen, just beside river Euphrates, Tigris river is drawn. So again start, it's somewhere in the northern Mesopotamia, then draw Tigris, and just before the Persian Gulf, merge it with Euphrates and lead that to Persian Gulf. Yes, Shubhra, you can't see me because I have stopped the video, because you can see the map. Okay, Shubhra, that is not a point to see me. Okay, so first of all, draw Tigris just in the eastern direction of Euphrates, started in the middle of the Mesopotamian region, then before mixing to the Persian Gulf, merge it with Euphrates, and then the line goes to Persian Gulf. Done? Done? Good. Now next, where you have merged the two rivers, that means on the confluence, just on the western side of confluence, see on your map on the screen, there is this river, city is mentioned, that is Ur. Ur. U-R. Mention Ur. Where both the rivers are meeting each other. That means in the point of confluence, in the western part, write Ur. Done? Done? Have you marked Ur? Very good. Okay. After you mark Ur, then you go a little north of Ur, and in the between, you know what is the basin called? In the between two rivers, in the middle part of Euphrates and Tigris, on the north of Ur, you have to make another point and name it Uruk. U-R-U-K. Uruk. U-R-U-K. Uruk. Done? Very good. Next. Next is, on the map of your screen, you can see north of Uruk, in the middle part of Euphrates and Tigris, there are many cities. We don't have to mark all the cities, but we will mark Babylon. Babylon. We will mark Babylon on your map. Done? Very good. Next, after you have marked Babylon, we will move towards Mari. On the map on your screen, you can see the position of Mari. It is beside Euphrates river. In the western side of Euphrates, you have to move a little bit north of Euphrates, right? And it is a little bit closer to Mediterranean Sea. So mark Mari. It's just a map. Don't think that each and every inch is pointed. No, little bit here and there is no problem, but at least nearby these areas you have to draw it. Okay, done? Mari done? Very good. Now see, where you can see on your map on the screen, you can see a place called Kanesh. Can you see Kanesh? So from there mountain-like signatures, means draw some triangles which can simplify or which can show it is a mountainous region in the area where Ganesh is written on your map, which is there on your screen. Done? In the places where you have drawn the triangle mountain regions, there you pointed out as the mountains of Iraq. The mountains of Iraq. Done? Done? Good. Good. Fine. Now, where you have drawn Babylon, just above Babylon, you draw a very thin line to divide the Mesopotamian civilization into two halves. Just above Babylon, draw a very thin line, don't make it very deep, to mark the northern and southern Mesopotamian civilization. So, the Babylon or Uruk will be in southern Mesopotamia and Mari will be in northern Mesopotamia. So, the southern Mesopotamia is known as Sumer and the northern Mesopotamia is known as Akkad. Understood? So, divide the Mesopotamian civilization into two halves, southern and northern. So, how you are going to mention that? That is up to you. You can write Sumer and Akkad, you can write southern Mesopotamia and northern Mesopotamia, whatever you like. And always give the north sign like it is given on the map which is there on your screen. Always give the north sign to understand which is the north direction. Done? Now, Sanjeevani, Jennifer, Shomshubro, who else are doing the map? Can you take a snapshot and just post it in the chat, then I can just see it. Take a snapshot of your map and just paste it here in the chat box. Let us just see whether it's going in a correct manner or not. Oh, Shomshubro, okay, fine. Next day, oh, acha, fine, no problem. Jennifer is doing it. But Jennifer and Shritama is doing. Okay, fine, no problem. The next day, you take a picture of that. Yes, you can give it tomorrow. When I will have the class, then you can